Okay, so we've got a 2021 Toyota Corolla ZR edition, a little automatic 5-door hatchback. It's only travelled 1,600 kilometres. Got the reverse camera and sensors there, alloy wheels, tinted windows, good set of tyres, got the front sensors there too. Not a mark on this car, as you'd understand. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got the cruise control, lane change warning, any crash mitigation, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, 1676 the kilometres. Satellite navigation, it's a big colour screen that, dual zone climate air. Automatic transmission with sports mode. Leather and, looks like leather and suede interior. Could just be leather fabric. There's your front passenger seat, look at the sports seats. 2 keys, logbooks, full service history. Well, it's only done 1,600 kilometres, I guess. And there's your back seat there, all looking pretty good. All inquiries welcome, it won't last.